Daily use words. Squeeze. Please squeeze the lemon. Crack. Crack the egg into the bowl. Press. Press the button to start. Rinse. Rinse your hands with water. Wash. Wash your face every morning. Cut. Cut the apple into pieces. Peel. Peel the banana before eating. Pour. Pour the milk into the glass. Mix. Mix the sugar in tea. Stir. Stir the soup slowly. Open the door. Open the door. Close. Close the window. Push. Push the door gently. Pull. Pull the rope. Lift. Lift the bag carefully. Drop. Drop the clothes in the basket. Hold. Hold my hand. Throw. Throw the ball. Catch. Catch the ball quickly. Clean. Clean your room. Wipe. Wipe the table. Dry. Dry your hands. Fill. Fill the bottle with water. Empty. Empty the jar. Break. Don't break the toy. Fix. Fix the broken chair. Turn. Turn on the light. Switch off. Switch off the fan. Carry. Carry the box. Drop off. I will drop you off at school. Fold. Fold the clothes neatly. Iron. Iron the shirt before wearing it. Hang. Hang the towel on the hook. Sweep. Sweep the floor. Mop. Mop the floor with water. Dust. Dust the table. Arrange. Arrange the books properly. Pack. Pack your bag for school. Unpack. Unpack the groceries.